wale wa Kenya ambao hawatosheki. Kura iliisha, matokeo yalitangazwa, Wakenya wamechukua nafasi yao. Sasa wewe ukiendelea kusema ulishinda na kura milioni 2, where is the evidence? Fungua server. President Ruto under the constitution has no capacity or ability to either keep the servers or open them. The servers were opened on the instructions of the Supreme Court. Na iko kwa judgment yenye mawakili wako walikuweko. That knocks down your second argument. Your third argument, the cost of food. The cost of food will come down on production increasing, not on rioting and demonstrating. The next one, tunataka tuongee. There is no problem talking, but Honorable Raila Odinga, you must recognize the legitimacy of President William Ruto's government before we sit down to talk. If you say we are illegitimate, then we have no business talking to you. And I want to beg of our church people, because I saw you talking to Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. We have no problem with that. Just tell him to recognize that we went to elections, you cast your votes, the votes were counted, they were tallied, results were announced, and a winner was declared. Once he agrees to that, we will go to talk to him anywhere and everywhere on anything and everything except the legitimacy of our government. Hivyo tu ndivyo itakuwa. Kwa hivyo sisi tukisimama hapa nikimalizia, tunaomba Wakenya popote walipo, vandu wa Mlembe, hata ndugu zetu hapa Kisumu, nyinyi msifikiri ndugu yetu Raila akikula na nyinyi mnashiba. Hapana. Kila mtu lazima ajimudu. And a good leader everywhere in the world asks his people to live for him, not to die for him. We are hearing people saying, people will die for me. You are not a leader, you are a killer. People must live for you. And you must leave people better than you found them. Lakini ukisema mtakufa juu yangu, tutahesabu makaburi mpaka lini? Wacha nimalizie hapa kwa kuomba tena watu ya Mlembe. Hii maombi tumeanza Faruk, from here tuende Bungoma, tuende Trans Nzoia, tuende Busia, tuende Vihiga, ili jamii ya Mlembe, jamii ya Iteso, jamii ya Sabaot, sisi zote tunaishi upande hii, tujue ya kwamba we have no spare country, we have only one president at a time, and that president is William Samoei Ruto. Omanye, se mo revelara ila na ka go paliteki,